Explore the skies with the top 5 best drones of 2024, setting new benchmarks in aerial innovation. Redefine your perspective and witness breathtaking aerial capabilities. If you're enthralled by drone technology, support us by liking this video, subscribing for more drone insights, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Join us on this journey as we unveil the most advanced and impressive drones of 2024. Number 1. Introducing the epitome of elegance and innovation, the DJI Mini 3 drone. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this marvel of technology is designed to elevate your aerial photography experience to unprecedented heights. Featuring a sleek and compact design, the DJI Mini 3 drone exudes sophistication and sophistication. Its lightweight construction ensures effortless portability, allowing you to carry it with you wherever your adventure takes you. Whether you are exploring picturesque landscapes or capturing breathtaking moments at a luxurious event, this drone effortlessly blends into any opulent setting. Equipped with an advanced 4K camera, the DJI Mini 3 drone captures stunning crystal-clear imagery with impeccable detail. Every frame is a work of art, as vibrant colors and intricate textures are rendered with unparalleled precision. With its 3-axis gimbal stabilization system, this drone ensures buttery smooth footage, even in the face of turbulent winds or dynamic movements. Navigating the skies has never been more intuitive. The DJI Mini 3 drone incorporates the latest cutting-edge technology, including GPS capabilities and obstacle avoidance sensors, ensuring a safe and seamless flight experience. With its intelligent flight modes, you can effortlessly capture cinematic shots and execute intricate maneuvers, solidifying your status as an aerial virtuoso. Unleash your creativity with the DJI Mini 3 drone's array of intelligent features. Its quick-shot modes allow you to effortlessly capture professional-quality videos with a single tap, while the active track feature ensures that your subject remains perfectly. Number 2. Introducing the epitome of aerial excellence, the Robotics EVO Lite Plus drone. Prepare to elevate your drone flying experience to new heights with this sleek and sophisticated marvel of technology. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the Robotics EVO Lite Plus drone is a true masterpiece that effortlessly blends form and function. Its stunning aerodynamic design, rendered in a lustrous obsidian black finish, commands attention and exudes an air of luxury. This drone is not just a flying apparatus, it is a statement of opulence and refinement. Equipped with cutting-edge features, the Robotics EVO Lite Plus drone is a formidable companion for any aerial adventure. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence, it boasts intelligent flight modes that effortlessly capture breathtaking footage, allowing you to unleash your creative potential. Whether you are a professional photographer, an avid traveler, or simply a connoisseur of remarkable technology, this drone will surpass your expectations. With its powerful 12-megapixel camera, the Robotics EVO Lite Plus drone captures images with exceptional clarity and precision. Every detail is preserved, every color reproduced vividly, ensuring your memories are immortalized in stunning detail. Its 3-axis gimbal stabilization system guarantees smooth professional-grade footage, eliminating any unwanted vibrations or jitters, even in the most challenging conditions. Number 3. Introducing the epitome of aerial excellence, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro drone. Crafted to redefine the boundaries of possibility, this masterpiece of technology is designed for those who seek to elevate their visual storytelling to extraordinary heights. With its sleek and aerodynamic design, the Mavic 3 Pro exudes a sense of exclusivity and refinement. Every curve and line is meticulously sculpted to maximize performance and elegance. Wrapped in a lustrous matte finish, this drone stands as a true symbol of luxury in the realm of unmanned aerial vehicles. Equipped with a powerful Hasselblad camera, the Mavic 3 Pro captures breathtaking imagery with uncompromising detail and clarity. Its cutting-edge sensor, coupled with an adjustable aperture and enhanced image processing capabilities, enables you to immortalize each moment with vivid colors and stunning dynamic range. From sweeping landscapes to close-up portraits, this drone effortlessly transforms your vision into a visual masterpiece. Unleash your creativity and unleash the potential of flight with the Mavic 3 Pro's unparalleled maneuverability. Its advanced flight modes, including Active Track 4.0 and Point of Interest 3.0, empower you to effortlessly capture awe-inspiring footage, while the drone gracefully navigates the skies. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, professional photographer, or simply an adventure enthusiast, this drone is your ultimate companion on your journey to capturing the extraordinary. Number 4. Introducing the epitome of aerial excellence, the DJI Air 3 drone. This masterpiece of cutting-edge technology is a testament to DJI's relentless pursuit of perfection in the world of drones. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this marvel will elevate your flying experience to unprecedented heights. Prepare to be captivated by the sleek and sophisticated design of the DJI Air 3 drone. Its streamlined body, adorned with a lustrous metallic finish, exudes a sense of pure luxury. Every curve and contour has been meticulously crafted to not only maximize performance, but also to make a striking visual statement. This is a drone that effortlessly combines power and elegance. Equipped with unrivaled features, the DJI Air 3 drone is designed to empower your creativity and take your aerial photography and videography to new dimensions. Its state-of-the-art camera system captures stunningly crisp, vibrant, and ultra-high-resolution images, ensuring every aerial shot is a work of art. With the ability to shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second, your footage will rival that of professional filmmakers. Unleash your inner pilot as you experience the smooth and precise flight capabilities of the DJI Air 3 drone. Its advanced flight control system, combined with cutting-edge sensors, ensures unparalleled stability and maneuverability, making even the most complex aerial maneuvers effortless. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a novice enthusiast, this drone will cater to your every need, allowing you to explore. Number 5. Introducing the epitome of sophistication and cutting-edge technology. The DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. Designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography experience to unprecedented heights, this marvel of engineering redefines what it means to capture breathtaking moments from the sky. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone boasts a sleek and compact design, making it effortlessly portable without compromising on performance. Its lightweight yet robust construction ensures maximum maneuverability, allowing you to effortlessly explore the vast expanse of the sky without any limitations. Equipped with a powerful 4K Ultra HD camera, the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone captures every detail of your surroundings with astonishing clarity and precision. No moment will be missed, as this drone effortlessly captures your world with unrivaled perfection. Whether it's a serene sunset over the ocean or a bustling cityscape, expect nothing short of awe-inspiring visuals that will leave you breathless. Featuring advanced flight technology, the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone effortlessly soars through the sky, offering an unrivaled flight experience. Intelligent flight modes such as Active Track, TAFly, and QuickShot empower you to unleash your creativity and capture cinematic shots like a professional. With intelligent obstacle avoidance, you can fearlessly navigate through even the most challenging environments, ensuring a smooth and safe flight every time.